How to use Starbucks gift card in app. If you'd like to use Starbucks gift card on the app, it's fairly simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Starbucks application and make sure to log into your account. Now normally, at the very bottom you can see different menu icons. Tap on the option that says gift. When you come to the gift option, you will see many options. At the top you can see it says got a gift card, add it here. So simply tap on that particular option. Over here, just make sure to type in your Starbucks gift card number as well as also the security code. Once done, tap the add card button and the gift card will be added to your Starbucks app. And next time, whenever you're placing an order, depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully used to basically apply the discount. This way you'll be able to use Starbucks gift card in app. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.